Today, we will go over how to install the EcoHitch for your Subaru Impreza Hatchback. The method shown in this video will go over an alternative way to install the hitch, which will avoid needing to remove the bumper. To start, remove the rubber exhaust hangers from the frame. Using WD-40 may make it a bit easier to slide off. Make sure to support the exhaust with a block or jack stand. Next, there are two rubber plugs on both the driver and passenger sides to remove. In this install, we took out the bumper rivets to give us more mobility when installing the hitch. Then, remove both plastic push-in clips and slide the bumper hanger brackets up and out. For this install, we slightly enlarge the holes toward the front of the car in order to easily insert the hardware. Normally, with the bumper removed, you would be able to utilize the large hole in the frame to insert your hardware. Use your bolt fisher to go through the frame and attach your hardware to the coiled end. With the enlarged hole, insert the coiled end with hardware in and out of the same hole, one piece at a time. Repeat this process on the other side. Next, using the measurements in the instructions, trim out an access port on the bottom of the bumper fascia. With the access port cleaned up, attach your EcoHitch to the bolts hanging from before. You may find it easier to thread just a nut or two first to temporarily hold the hitch in place. Once that is secure, attach the appropriate hardware to the other bolts. When all four bolts are equipped with the appropriate hardware, tighten the bolts to the proper foot-pounds laid out in the instructions. With everything tightened and centered, reattach your bumper hanger brackets and exhaust hangers. If you use the bumper removal method, make sure the bumper, trim, and rivets are all back in place. Once that is done, your install and EcoHitch are complete. With the hitch installed and cross tube concealed, you should have roughly 10 to 11 inches of clearance from the receiver to the ground.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.